Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So my friends, let's talk about SMCI, Super Microcomputer Incorporation, trading here on the Nasdaq. I give you here my updated chart, guys. I made here some not adjustments for you, but I made it much more easier to read the chart now. So I will show you here the updated version. And of course, everything what I say is not financial advice, but we want to know if SMCI has here still short squeeze potential and what this price action here means. We had now here a pullback, so we have to talk about the resistance and support price levels for SMCI. Yo guys, so let's dive into the chart. As you can see, we have now here a lot of orange lines versus one green line. So what does that mean? The green line here is an open gap to the upside, which hasn't been filled yet. The last open gap in the daily chart, guys, is waiting here at $86. That literally means that SMCI can go back to $86. If you haven't seen my previous videos on SMCI, I'm very bullish on the stock. I think it is even possible that we see here new all-time highs incoming. It looks very similar to the Tesla chart, where Tesla dipped down to $100 before it started to make new all-time highs. We cannot forget that SMCI traded here just a few years ago, 2023, here at $7, guys. So this is absolute normal that we have this kind of pullbacks here. And what we can see that we start to build higher highs here after this correction mode here. We are not out of the danger zone, guys. I will enable my drawings in a second, but I can tell you that this looks like a bullish reversal after this accumulation here, guys. When the accumulation is done, then we will heat back to $86. And as I said, I think SMCI can even create new all-time highs. This is not financial advice. Make your own due diligence. I have no idea what the news telling you here or what is going on behind the scenes. I just checked the chart and compared this with some information here in the background, but I don't care what the news are telling us here. So guys, let's dive into the chart and my drawings. So keep that in mind, $86 is one open gap. So this is the chart, guys. So I added these lines here. I added description here to these lines that you understand where are the most important zones, because I know that chart technique can be very difficult. That's why I also started this channel here to educate you in trading, to help you understand how the algos work, where the algos are waiting, why we have these kind of accumulation patterns where we always have the same touch points to the up and the downside and stuff like that. But what I also do is I try to predict short squeezes here in the market, not only for SMCI. I also predicted this price run up here that I'm super bullish on SMCI. I made a lot of videos here back in November and October 2024. But we want to know, of course, where are the next squeeze price levels. So it's not only SMCI, we have many other tickers here in the market. I release every Sunday my so-called hot stocks. So I make here short squeeze predictions for the next trading days and weeks. So when I release a hot stock video on Sunday, that means that these tickers here, which I show in my hot stock videos, have very high squeeze potential and they can squeeze in the next trading days. There is no guarantee, but we had this week this short squeeze here. After my video prediction, we had a 170% squeeze in total, but 120% here when I released the video. I also said that this ticker here has an algo demand zone, aka the bullish support between 25 cents and 18 cents, and you can see this ticker went on the dot back to 25 cents before we had our 170% short squeeze. The week before, guys, we also had here this squeeze, 136%. Was also one of my March hot stocks here, and when I posted this on Patreon, the green line was the support. We touched this green line here, and 1 day later this ticker also squeezed 136%. Sounds too good to be true. Yes, guys, it is not so easy. You cannot predict the future, but a lot of things are predictable in the chart. So if you want to learn trading, guys, if you want to see my short squeeze stocks, you can of course join our trading community. The full package membership here on Patreon is my most popular membership, where every day new members joining in. Patreon.com/blackbelttrader is the link, guys, and also here in the video description you will find the link to my Patreon membership. So guys, let's now dive here into SMCI. I think we have here the next squeeze attempt, guys. If you didn't see my previous videos, we are trading here still in this trend channel pattern here, which means the top line of this trend channel here is the main resistance. We had here one successful breakout, came back in this trend channel pattern here. But guys, while I'm recording this video here, we starting our next breakout attempt. That's why I added this line here for you. So $50 86 cents is the squeeze or even a short squeeze trigger for SMCI. So the market makers algos will try to keep the price below that. The good news is, guys, as soon as SMCI goes over $45, we will leave this bearish trend channel pattern here, which has the only purpose that market makers accumulate their positions. And as long as we don't go below $27, $28 here, this white line, guys, we have still a super bullish setup for SMCI. The next squeeze price targets here is here in the $84 to $85 range, and as I said before, we have this open gap here waiting at $86.59, so that would be the price goals here in favor for the next, let's call it squeeze, algo squeeze, short squeeze, guys, and based on the actual pre-market price, that would be a price move from additional 100% or even 128%. As I said, I expect that SMCI will make new all-time highs in future, but when the market turns bearish, guys, we will maybe fall even further down. This is possible. The market is on very shaky legs right now. I released here a brand new video for the S&P 500. The full chart analysis is available, guys. And yeah, we have here the decision, in my opinion, this or latest next week, guys. If this is just a dip, then all the assets will continue to squeeze in the next weeks, guys, and I think also SMCI will squeeze. But if the market confirms this bearish breakdown here, guys, then yeah, fasten your seatbelts, because then of course SMCI can go much lower than that. That $16, $18, and even $10 is possible here based on the chart. When we talk about the chart, guys, what you see here is called TradingView. I can just motivate you to get that program for yourself. If you want to learn trading, as I said, join our Patreon. I have also a lot of trading tutorials available there. But you also need a good chart tool to spot the algos, guys. This is everything based on algos here, nothing combined with news. Yes, of course, news can put some fuel in the fire, guys. Yeah, you can of course have some bullish momentum triggered by news, but the algos have already decided what will happen next. And you can only spot them when you know how to draw charts, guys. So if you want to also get for yourself TradingView here, this is the program what I always use here in every video, guys. I can offer you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. So this special discount link is also available here in the video description. Yeah, guys, my game plan here for SMCI, I said that already, that I took profits here in the $57 range. But of course, I will buy again SMCI stocks here because I'm quite bullish here, and I think we will see here some upside momentum. However, in the actual price range here, this is for me not a buy. I always waiting here for the dip. So I want to see the price back below $29. Yeah, this is my personal decision. Please make your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. Everything here between $28 and $23 is for me still a buy-in ratio. If we leave this zone here, guys, I turn bearish. I think we will see much lower prices here, but as long as we keep this price range here between $27 and $23, I am very bullish for SMCI. We have here a super bullish uptrend here, yeah, because the squeeze has to come down a little bit before we see here the next continuation of the bull run, and that is absolute normal that we, that the market makers get their lowest potential price here before we see the next squeeze run, guys. And I don't want to FOMO in. I never do that. I never buy a stock because it's going up. I always buy it when it's going down. When we have these kind of knife constellations here, let me show you that really quick, guys. This here is a beautiful knife. This is what we want. Gap downs, yeah, gap downs, drama. I say that always, guys. No drama, no squeeze. This is my credo, and this is what I want. And especially when we have a leg up like this here, then we want to see that the price is coming down to get the next momentum for the upside. My friends, that was the update on SMCI. I hope that was helpful. If you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.